Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be telling you about a giveaway that we are about to start for our channel's 1-year anniversary.
Yeah, as Lena said, it's our 1-year anniversary, which is really exciting. And we just wanted to thank you guys for your continued support and love for our channel by doing a giveaway.
We're going to be doing a competition through a website called Gleam, and there are multiple different ways that you can enter for a chance to win our giveaway prizes, which we will explain in a little bit. One of the things you can do, you can visit us on Facebook. That will earn you 1 entry for our giveaway. You can also visit us on our Instagram page for 1 entry in our giveaway.
You can follow us on Twitter for 2 entries. You can get a bonus entry if you're a subscriber, and if you are a subscriber already, you just have to go ahead and click it and verify that you're a subscriber. There's also really exciting opportunities. You can get entries for every day if you watch like specific videos that will be linked into the Gleam. You can tweet on Twitter. There's like a specific tweet you have to tweet, and if you just go ahead and click it, and it'll do it for you. And then if you retweet our dollar store makeup challenge on Twitter, that can also get you an entry as well.
Yeah, so those are the many different ways that you can enter. There are 7 ways, and again, like Meg said, we will post a link to a specific video every day, and if you watch that video once per day, you'll get 1 entry. So I believe our competition is going for about a week, so there'll be 7 additional entries that you can have. We are going to be giving away a bunch of ColourPop goodies in this giveaway. One of the first things we're going to be giving away is the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette, which is a super pretty palette with lots of blues. We'll be giving away the Flurries liquid lip and the Echo Park liquid lip, and I forget which one is which, but one's more of a nude, one's more of a pink color, and one is satin and one is matte. And then you'll also be getting a tapered blending brush.
Yeah, so as Lena had just said, the prizes, they're really great prizes. It's just a thank you from us for your guys' continued love and support. As I said previously, we just really appreciate it, and we can't wait to see our channel grow some more. Yeah. So if you're interested in entering, just go ahead and check the description below. All the details are there. And yeah, and don't hesitate to comment on the video if you have any questions. And yeah, thanks again, you guys.
Thank you for watching, and thank you for the support. Bye guys.
Bye.